In today's video, we talk about updated YouTube TV versus Spectrum TV. Watch this before choosing 2025. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. When comparing YouTube TV and Spectrum TV as of 2025, both offer distinct advantages and considerations. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service that provides access to over 100 channels, including sports, news, and entertainment. It features unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing recordings to be saved for up to 9 months. The service supports up to 6 user profiles per subscription and offers 3 simultaneous streams. Add-ons like the NFL Sunday Ticket are available for additional fees. Switchful Spectrum TV, on the other hand, is a traditional cable service offering a variety of channel packages, including premium sports and entertainment options. It provides standard DVR services and requires the use of cable boxes. However, additional fees for equipment and premium channels can increase the overall cost. Switchful. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.